Amazon holiday must-haves. First is this wireless Christmas tree remote that you can use to turn on your Christmas tree or other indoor lights from 100 feet away by remote control. You simply plug your tree into the provided base and you'll never have to crawl underneath the tree again to turn it on. And next are our tried and true wrapping paper flip wraps. We've been using these for years. They make storing away and organizing your wrapping paper so simple because you never have to worry about them getting unrolled by accident. They come in a pack of 12 or 24 and are super affordable as well.
Amazon gadget you need. This gift wrapping gadget allows you to create a customized wrapping station on any table or countertop. Simply clamp onto any countertop or table and adjust to any size wrapping paper. This gadget allows you to easily cut, measure, and wrap gifts anywhere in your home, and each clamp even has its own tape dispenser.
Amazon Christmas hack. This year we decided to try out these non-slip ornament hooks that we saw on Shark Tank because we have dogs that like to bump into our Christmas tree all season long. If you have small kids or pets or glass ornaments that you want to secure better to your tree, these have an adjustable clip on each hook to ensure they never slip off the tree no matter how much you shake the branches. We love them. Each hook can hold over 8 pounds and they're reusable so you don't have to reinvest in new hooks each year.
Avoid taping your wrapping paper rolls and grab these silicone wraps instead that securely fit over any wrapping paper roll and easily come off. This gadget fits over your wrapping paper roll and slides across, making a perfectly straight line and cutting down on time spent wrapping presents. And keep your ornaments protected and secure from pets with this pack of reusable ornament hooks. They adjust to any tray branch attached to most ornaments and perfectly blends in.
Amazon organizing finds. During the Christmas time, my house is usually a mess with unorganized spools of ribbon and wrapping paper on every surface from wrapping Christmas presents. I found this ribbon dispenser that's clear so you can find exactly what you're looking for, and it has a snap-on lid to ensure that the ribbon doesn't unroll on its own. The dispenser is best used for smaller spools of ribbon and makes it easy to store away in the closet until next year. Amazon holiday organizing. During Christmas time, there are so many little bits and bobs that we have to track down every year. I was getting tired of keeping up with a bunch of random Ziploc baggies, so I found these acrylic organizers that make my life so much easier. They're the perfect size to organize and store away all of your unused gift tags and ornament hooks, small rolls of ribbon, bows, and tape. The organizer is stackable if you end up needing more than one, and they have clear tops so you can see exactly what's inside.
That was fast. But here is some more Jolly Goodies to watch. And make sure you subscribe to my channel so you never miss a deal.